Right, hi there. So I'm having a bit of trouble with the 3D printer. There's nothing actually wrong with it, but you can see there it says error, minimum temp, and basically at the temperature that the shed's in, it's not going to print anything out because it's too cold. So that means I've got to heat the shed up to, I don't know, 15 degrees or something before I can start printing. Okay, so the 3D printer is warmed up now. I'm going to be printing some 1/10 scale jerry cans off, and this is going to take 6 hours 49 minutes to print 5 of them out. So I will do a time lapse and we'll see what they come out like. Right, so here's them printed off. I'm actually just starting to print some more off. So yeah, these are to exact 1/10 scale from an original jerry can, which I took the dimensions from eBay. These are the others doing. They're slightly thinner, they're the same height, but it's not actually to the proper scale of a real jerry can. The scale in height is right, but the other dimensions are slightly different. But yeah, they've come out really well. Yeah, so I'll say thanks for watching and happy Christmas to everybody. Have a good New Year's as well, and I'll see you next time. Bye.